In a small town, there lived an 8-year-old boy named Vicky. He was intelligent and playful, but he had one major flaw: he often told lies. No matter the situation, big or small, he preferred to fabricate stories instead of telling the truth. One day, Vicky's mother walked into his room and found it in a complete mess. She asked him about it. Instead of admitting the truth, Vicky quickly came up with a lie. He claimed that a cat had entered through the window and created the mess. His mother sighed, knowing that her son was making up a story yet again. His parents often warned him that lying could lead to serious consequences. They reminded him that if he continued this habit, one day, even if he spoke the truth, no one would believe him. One afternoon, while playing near the forest, Vicky thought of pulling a prank on his friend Arjun. He pretended to be scared and shouted for help, claiming that a tiger was approaching. Arjun panicked and ran back to the village to call for help. When the villagers arrived, expecting danger, they were shocked to see Vicky laughing. He admitted that it was all a joke. The villagers were annoyed and warned him that if he continued lying, no one would trust him when he truly needed help. The very next day, while wandering near the same forest, Vicky encountered a real tiger. This time, his fear was genuine. He screamed for help, desperately calling out to the villagers. Unfortunately, the villagers, remembering his prank from the previous day, assumed he was lying again. No one came to help. Somehow, Vicky managed to escape and ran home. Frightened and breathless, he told his parents about the tiger. But instead of comforting him immediately, his parents reminded him of their warnings. His mother explained that because he had lied so often, no one believed him when he actually spoke the truth. That day, Vicky truly understood the consequences of his actions. He made a firm decision to never lie again. From that moment on, Vicky changed his ways. He became an honest boy and learned that truthfulness builds trust, while lies only lead to loss of credibility. So, what do we learn from this story? If we lie frequently, even our truth will be doubted. That's why honesty is always the best policy.